Hello cutie pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your beauty Dona here. So in today's video I'm going to review this product. This is an automatic hair curler. So I'm really excited to review this. So let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a cardboard box. This is how the inner packaging looks like, in which you will get a curler like this. A tail comb. This is a plastic tail comb and two clips. These are the sectioning clips and a manual. This is all in the box. So I'll keep the box on the side, and here is the curler. Okay, so I have plugged in this curler, and now I will tell you about the functions. Okay, so first of all, it has this on off button where you can on this, and there are two buttons. This will roll it outwards and this will roll it inwards. It depends on which side you are using it. Okay, so one will give you outward curls and one will give you inward curls. Okay, so firstly I'll use the comb and take one section. I have layers, so I have taken the first layer. Okay, so what you need to do is comb your hairs. It will be great if you will take small strands. Okay, so I'm taking this, and you can just, there are some loops here. You just have to put the hairs in the loop. You can see the results. Here is the perfect curl. If you want more curl, then you leave it for a few seconds. Okay, so we'll curl another section. I'll leave it for some 5 to 10 seconds, and then I will remove it, and you can see the curls. Okay, so this will give you a little messy kind of curls. If you want those very sharp and sophisticated kind of curls, then this is not for you. I leave it for 10 seconds. And here you can see the curl. Here are the curls. Here are the curls. If you want more strong curls, you can take very small sections and it will come in a proper curl, and you can leave it for 10 to 15 seconds to make it more strong. Okay, now I will take a strand from this side. Okay, so for that side I did from this arrow, so this time I will use this arrow. Okay, so it's the time to give my final verdict. So I think this is a perfect machine for those who don't know how to play with their hairs and don't want to get into that hurdle, this is something really very easy. You just have to section your hairs and put into it, and it will take them, uncurl them, and this is really very easy. You don't need to do any efforts. This is something really effortless, and it will save a lot of time, because those colors which we use normally need a lot of work on it. You have to do a lot of effort to curl your each section. So this is something really effortless, and it is also very affordable. I will link the purchase link in the description so that you can check that as well. So this was all about this video. If you have any question, you can comment down below. I will surely answer your question. Okay, so this was all about this automatic curler. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such reviews. See you next time. Bye bye.